Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rural Talker. I am Dilshad. Today I'm going to talk about English. And if you want to learn English language, and if you haven't started your English journey yet, then I'm going to say something. And if you have already started your communication journey recently, then watch my video. It will help you actually, because I know by living in a rural area and practice English and learning English, it's a very challenging. It's a very much challenging, I would say. But we can speak English language. Okay, don't need to worry about it. We can speak English language. We have a solution. Everything has a solution. Definitely, English has also solution. By living in a rural area, we can also speak English language. But suppose if you are a beginner, if you are a new learner, if you are a new English learner, then what you have to do? The first thing, you have to learn little bit basic grammar. Basic grammar, I mean to say, like tense, modals, preposition, conjunction, basic things. I'm not just saying, I'm not saying you have to just dive into grammar. No, little bit knowledge, it's okay. You just need little bit knowledge about grammar, it's okay, it's sufficient, it will work for you. And then after learning the grammar, then what you have to do? You have to do practice. And how would you practice? Because in rural area, you do not have any partner, you do not have any environment where you could practice your English, where you could interact with people and you could share your idea into English. Because most of us, they do not know speaking English, right? Then we have a solution actually. What you have to do? You have to pick one topic every day. Every day you have to pick one topic, and you have to write. You need to care one notebook, and then you have to write topic every single day, every different topic. And if it is possible, if you have lot of leisure time, then you could write two topic. But if you are a beginner, then one topic is enough, because if you will get burden on your shoulder, then you will feel demotivate actually. So don't take lot of topic, just take one topic initially for few days, just for few days, and try to write, and then try to speak loudly. Just try to speak. Try to speak loud. Why I'm saying try to speak loud? If you will speak loud, then your mind will store the word and structures. And not only a word and structures, and you will be also like tongue, you will be twisting your tongue, like you will be pronouncing your word actually. You will try to pronounce word in a proper way, in an appropriate way, and that's how you could also improve your pronunciation, and it will help you. Try to speak loud. If you are a very beginner, if you have started your communication and English learning journey recently, and if any one of you wants to speak English language, and any of you wants to start English journey, then try to do this thing. It will help you, because I have also started my communication journey from scratch, from zero level, you can say, from ground level. So I did this thing. I learned first grammar, then I started practicing, and then I started writing topics, and then I started reading out actually. Still I have been doing this thing sometime, not sometimes, I have been doing simultaneously, consistently. And you have to practice, you have to write topic, and you have to practice on topic consistently. You should not miss actually any single day of your practice. If you will miss your practice, then it could be little bit hard for you. Just try to be consistent anyhow, and every day at least minimum one topic. If you have lot of time, you could go for 2 topic, 3 topic, okay, according to your time and time management, okay. But just try to do and do. If you want to speak English language fluently by living in a rural area, okay, because we all know we can, if we will not practice, then we cannot speak English language. Not only you and me, anyone, if they will not practice, they can't speak English. So that is why I have been just saying, just gradually, because you are a beginner, you do not have that much idea and that much things to do actually. So just try to pick one topic every day, and just try to implement this rule and regulations in your daily life, and just try to pick the topic consistently, it will help you a lot. And that's how you could learn English language. And definitely with, if you will do this thing for few days, then you would say, you would see yourself, you would observe yourself, I'm enhancing. You would see yourself and you would say yourself, yeah, I have been enhancing my knowledge a little bit, and confident I am getting an idea, and my mind is also getting little bit strong actually for this language. Because we are very much scared of this language actually. We are very much afraid of this language because we never practiced. And this is also very common. If we have been practicing English language, if we have been learning English language while living in a rural area, then there would come some people and they would try to demotivate you actually. Mostly they would say, if you would be speaking English language, however, they would say, you are not speaking English language, you are committing mistake here and there, you should speak like this, speak like that. And the more interesting thing is he would not be knowing English language, but he would be giving you suggestion you should speak like this, speak like that. Because I have already encountered these kind of people in my journey. That is why I am saying, don't worry about those people. You have to practice. First, you must have dedication, a strong steadfastness. I will speak English language anyhow. Whatever I have to do, I will do, but I will learn English language. Okay, and don't care about your people and people whoever are residing close to you, nearby you, and whoever are trying to demotivate you. Don't worry, because I has been demotivated by a lot of people actually, but I never give up. I had a strong dedication actually. I had a strong steadfast. I will learn English language. Until I will not learn English language, I won't leave the journey. Anyhow, I was very much consistent with my journey. I was just practicing every day. I never missed my practice actually, any single day. Still, I have been following my consistency, even though I have met with a lot of bad incidents as well. But however, I never missed my practice. At least I practiced for half an hour, 1 hour. At least I practiced actually. So just continue with this language. Just practice your, just be continue and be consistent, and it will work for you. And it is not a day-night procedure. Like suppose you started today learning English language, tomorrow you will be able to speak fluent English. It is not like that. As much as you will practice, you will be able to speak English language. Until you will not practice, you can't speak English language. No one, not only you, even I, anyone, no one can speak actually without practice. Practice is required, consistency as well. And if you are a beginner, so just do whatever I said. Then definitely in next video I will be sharing few new things actually, few new tips and tricks you could say, how I learned and how I implemented, and what kind of difficulties I have faced in my journey, and what kind of difficulties you will be facing if you have started your communication journey. And definitely if you have started your English learning, then definitely you will be encountering a lot of problem in your life, like sometimes people problem, sometimes your mind problem, sometimes your negative problem, sometimes your confident problem, lot of problem. Every day you will be facing new problem. So don't worry about it, and every problem has a solution. Okay, just think positive and just try practice as much as you can, because we need only practice as of now. Because we have been just like reading English language, we have been listening English, we have been just writing English from our childhood. If you can recall, then I think definitely you can recall that we have been just reading and writing and listening English language from our childhood, but we never spoke. When it's come to speaking, we are just unable to speak English language. So right now I have been I have been trying to say to you, just practice your English as much as you can, and maintain your consistency too. And don't see here and there, and don't listen to people that much, whoever are trying to demotivate you. Okay, don't think about those people. Just do your work and just be firm on your dedication. Okay, just be firm. It will help you. And yeah, this is all about for today. And definitely in next video I will be sharing few new things actually, few tips and tricks and few ideas and few things actually. because I have been also trying to encourage people actually, because I have seen in my surrounded and in my neighbor, in my in my close one actually, I have seen a lot of people, and they have been just trying to speak English language, but they do not have environment, and they do not have actually such kind of guidance as well. What should I do, and what should I what should I not do actually. This kind of things is going on actually, so don't worry about it. We can practice and we can speak English language, and that's all for this video. And definitely in next video I'm gonna share a few new tips and tricks. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you.